Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, the Honorable Examiner of this final exam explanation. In this special occasion, I'm Astinatul Afifa, a student of Safety Engineering at the Shipbuilding Institute of Polytechnic Surabaya. I would like to thank you for the opportunity given me to present my research proposal entitled Analysis of Identification of Work Accident Hazard using Job Safety Analysis with the hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control approach in oil and gas companies. The background to this research began with the number of accidents from various industrial sectors in Indonesia continues to increase every year. The oil and gas industry is an industry with a very high level of risk. Accidents in the oil and gas industry can result in material loss, environmental damage, and even loss of life. As time goes by, there are various challenges and opportunities that need to be researched further. Causative factor. Based on the analyzed result of TIPK MIGAS or Independent Oil and Gas Safety Control Team from accidents that occurred during 209, the factors causing this accident were human factor is 86%, technical factors is 7%, and other factors 7%. Therefore, I'm interested in carrying out work accident hazard identification analysis using job safety analysis with a hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control approach in oil and gas companies. Problem formulation. Based on this background, the problem formulation in this research is 1. What are the stages of processing potential work accident data using the job safety analysis method and hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control method? 2. What are the control what are the control recommendations based on the job safety analysis and hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control method? Theoretical framework. Work accident. Work accidents are accidents that occur as a result of work activities, including accidents that occur on the way from home to work or vice versa. JSA. Job safety analysis is a hazard analysis technique used to identify the hazard present in a person to work and to develop appropriate controls to reduce risk. Hierarchy. Hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control is an identification method used to review the dangers of an operation or process in a systematic, comprehensive, and structured manner that could pose a detrimental risk to human facilities, the environment, or existing system, and explain risk mitigation. Expert judgment. Expert judgment is asking experts in the relevant field to help determine what possibilities might occur in the work. To discuss and solve the problem in this chapter, structured steps are needed to make things easier and get more optimal results. The formulation of the step is more organized by writing them in the form of research methodology. The flow of this research is described in the flow diagram as follows. The first step is the literature review stage, which consists of literature study and field study. The second is to initially identify and discuss the problem. Next, there is determining of the objective and benefit of research. Then, there is data collection. The data is question consists of primary data and secondary data. Then there is hierarchy and JSA evaluation. Next is the stage of hazard identification and risk analysis using the hierarchy method. Continue with the stage of hazard identification and risk analysis using the JSA method. And the last one is conclusion and suggestion. That is the presentation of my research proposal. Thank you for your attention and opportunity. Maybe that's all I can say. If I say something wrong, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.